The final page of our website that really could do with a little bit more work is our Contact Us page. What we need to do is to add a Google map to this page, and I'm going to use a module to do that. Go to your website administrator, the Help menu, and go to the Joomla Extensions website. There are many modules available to provide Google Maps, but the one I'm going to use is called BT Google Map. This is it here, and I can once again see that it's for Joomla 3. For this module, although it's free, you do have to create a registration in order to be able to download it. But click on the download link. Here is the Google Maps module, and again click download. And you are offered both a file, the module itself, and a PDF manual. For now, I'm just going to download the module. Once you have saved the module to your computer, you can close down this website and the extension site and go to the administrator to install the module. So that's Extensions and Extension Manager. Choose the file we just downloaded and upload and install. Now that the module has been installed successfully, let's go and configure it. Extensions, Module Manager. We can see that the Google Map module has already created an instance here, although it's not published yet and it hasn't been given a position. I don't want it to display BT Google Maps, but I don't want a title either, so I'm just going to set the title to hide. I want it to display on the contacts page above the contacts in the same way that the slideshow did, so that is position 3. And now, of course, need to set it to be published. If I go to the menu assignments, I can see it's currently set to no pages, so I need to change that to only on the pages selected and unselect everything apart from Contact Us. If I click Save, go to my website and refresh the page, I can see that the map has appeared, but it's of New York, and my tea shop is in Covent Garden, London. So go back to the administrator and go to the options of the module. We can see lots of different options, and remember that golden rule: if you don't know what it is, just leave it alone. There's several different types of Google Maps you can choose: hybrid, road map, satellite or terrain. Road map is the default, and that's good enough for me. You can enter your location either as an address or, if you have them, with the actual coordinates. I don't know them, so I'm going to put in my store's address. I can customize various other things such as the width and the height, but I shall leave those as they are, and click on Save. So now when I return to my website and refresh the page, the map that's being shown is of central London. But there's no marker to indicate exactly where on this map my shop is. So let's go back to the administrator, select Options, scroll down and select the Marker Manager. Here we can create multiple markers, but we only need to create one for our shop. So let's click on Add Marker. Give the marker a title . Again, you have the choice of address or coordinates. Enter your address. And we can also have an info window, a little pop-up. So I'm going to complete the pop-up and click on Create Marker. I'm going to save, go back to my website, refresh the page, and we can see now we have a marker exactly where the store is and a little description box. Possibly in my case, this is too zoomed out. I need to zoom in more. Now, of course, the user can do that themselves by clicking on the icon. But maybe it would be better if I actually set the map itself to be this far zoomed in. So let's go back to Administrator, back to the options, and on the zoom, if we change the zoom from 13 to 18 and press save. Go back to the site, refresh, and we can see we've zoomed right in to the part of London where My Little Tea Shop lives.